One sneaky ninja tactic I threw under your noses is the sound of some of the videos I duet with. Like this clip of the man diving into a swimming pool for ants. You hear this?
Diagonal.
The real sound of the clip is... Yes, we aren't here to get sturdy. Yeah, I said it. There was no way I was going to scour the confound space of the internet to find the OG sound of this clip, so we improvise. What is this clip I used? Basically a different scenario of a pool exploding. But yes, the visual adds to the voices you hear from this third-party video. Looked up exploding pools on YouTube. BAM! After trying to find a better alternative, there wasn't any. Already pressed for time, the rip, the explosion, the water flow, and the voices of reactions. A nice and clear concoction of trickery. So copy that link and I used an awesome tool called 4K Downloader. You can download any YouTube vid with this dandy little thing here. Yes, you have to download it to your PC, laptop. It's harmless. For the best downloads from YouTube, you thieves! So this whole internet is your oyster. Use it to your visual advantage and follow me for more of these small tips and more. Let's do a quick run through on how to put this all together. Let's use a free program called Davinci Resolve. Look at this nice setup here with an expensive laptop, baller cam, and a keyboard to envy on. Edit this, huh? Oh, sorry. Alrighty, let's double click the untitled project to start a new composition. It starts you on a cut screen here. We want to go to the edit screen. Ah, much better. Right click and let's insert some videos to edit. Import that media. Oh, whoops, not that type of import. Maybe one day. Okay, highlight the vids you need and press open. Change project frame rate? Yes, in this case the two videos are different. I would suggest you to import your vertical version because it's closer to the format you want to end up with. But we can always manipulate the project settings later. That's a later vid, guys. Line these up quickly. Let's drag your video down to the timeline. As you can see, no audio. I downloaded this vid from snaptech.com and Davinci seems to discriminate towards their audio. I do have a loophole for this. It takes a little bit of work, but that's another vid. Moving on. Now let's drag the pool explosion vid in. Even though we can see where the point of impact is through the audio frequency, better to see where exactly it would be. We could clarify where the sweet spot is, so let's highlight and delete by pressing backspace. Okay? Don't press delete. Backspace. Also highlight the audio track from the vertical video, backspace. The next part is simple and obvious. Shorten the beginning of the audio track near to the high frequency and just click and drag that thing to the point where the rip and the audio would align. Takes a bit of playback back and forth to get it right where it needs to be. When you find it, fill out that beginning and blizzatow! You are in for a yummy eye-gasmic plate of virality. I did this to one of my other videos that blew up quickly, but quickly fell down because I suck. Now, I saved up some fight sound effects, but what I don't have is a sound of a car door bursting open. It can't be any audio of a glass breaking. I mean, the density of a car window with a jar glass. It would not sound pretty. It would take away from the execution. Would be funny, but I need that focus on me getting mollywopped. I don't need a hilariously unfit audio that would taint my performance. I downloaded this clip from YouTube like before and it was perfect. I extracted this audio and aligned it perfectly for a nice, yummy delicacy. Eye candy. Oh, sorry. Dear Lord, that was a great breakthrough, wasn't it? The guy frickin' cut himself because my video to audio edit was so sharp. All right, guys. Happy editing, and I would appreciate it if you guys subbed, like, and commented. And if you know anyone that needs some basic editing advice, share! Let's get to that 1K sub so I can buy myself a Lambo. The micro car version.